Okay, so I am recording this video to try something for the first time. I'm going to be very careful with this, which is buy another order when, you know, I've already bought one order. Okay, so cool. I'm gonna use markets and buy. Let's see what happens. I feel the market might go up more to at least cover up for this or to some extent. But, whilst it's doing that, I would like it to, give me some more profit because I might be catching a loss from this one. And it looks like it's not working. No open orders. Wait. Oh shit. Okay, so it added it to this one. Okay, cool. And so hopefully, I can get a little bit more profit. Um, Otherwise, it's a gateway to hell. Losing all that. But yeah, that's it.